A man walks, talks, and lives among us. No heartbeat. His chest hums with a machine, not a pulse. How does someone survive without a heart? And what's it cost to cheat death? Welcome to Insanely True, episode 50. The Man Who Lived Without a Heart, where medical science pulls off a miracle that sounds like sci-fi. It's 2011, Austin, Texas. Craig Lewis, 55, is dying. His heart, ravaged by amyloidosis, a rare protein buildup, pumps so weakly he's got months left. Transplants aren't an option. His condition's too far gone. Enter Dr. Billy Cohn and Dr. Bud Frazier at the Texas Heart Institute. They've got a radical idea. Remove the heart entirely. They'd been testing a device on calves to high-speed turbines, like tiny jet engines, that pump blood without pulsing. No heartbeat, just a continuous flow. It's called a continuous flow ventricular assist device, or VAD. In March 2011, they try it on a human. Craig's heart is removed, replaced with this whirring machine. He wakes up, alive, his blood flowing smoothly, but no pulse. Doctors check his vitals, EKG flatlines, yet he's chatting. Craig lives 38 days with the device. He walks, eats, even rides in a car. His wife, Linda, says he felt normal, just with a soft hum in his chest. But the machine's a prototype. Blood clots form, causing strokes. Craig dies in April 2011, not from heart failure, but complications. His case, detailed in medical journals, proves a heartless human can live. The tech's evolved since. By 2015, over 15,000 patients used VADs, some for years. Though most as a bridge to transplants, Craig's case was unique. No heart at all, just turbines. Skeptics worried. Is it fail instantly? Blood needs a pulse, right? But the body adapts, veins and arteries handling the flow. Critics of the experiment called it risky, pointing to Craig's short survival. Yet his 38 days rewrote medicine, showing the heart, our symbol of life, isn't always essential. Today, companies like Syncardia and HeartMate refine these devices. Patients live years, some hiking or working, their chests buzzing like quiet fans. Craig's story, documented in Texas Heart Institute Journal, pushes the boundary of what it means to be alive. Dive into medical reports, VAD tech specs, and Craig's story, linked below. Follow Insanely True Stories on Instagram for daily oddities and untold tales. Like, share, subscribe for more Insanely True Stories, because sometimes truth is colder and stranger.